Smart stacking. Mastering the art of putting away clothes in English. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning both fun and engaging. Today, we are diving into the world of everyday activities and household chores. More specifically, we're turning our attention to the laundry and an essential subtask: putting away clothes. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the vocabulary and phrases related to this task. So, without further ado, let's dive in. When we're dealing with laundry, there are certain words that frequently come up. Let's review some key terms. 1. Clothes. The items we wear. This includes shirts, trousers, socks, and many more. 2. Laundry. The process of washing the clothes. 3. Wardrobe, closet. The furniture where we usually keep our clothes. 4. Drawer. A part of the furniture, like a dresser or desk, where we store items, often clothes. 5. Hanger. An item used to hang clothes in the wardrobe. 6. Fold. To bend something, especially cloth or paper, so that one part of it lies on the other part. As we progress, we will be using these words often, so make sure to remember them. Now, let's move on to some common phrases and sentences we use when we talk about putting away clothes. 1. Sorting the clothes. This means organizing clothes according to type, color, or owner. 2. Hanging the clothes in the wardrobe. This involves putting clothes on hangers and arranging them in the wardrobe. 3. Folding the clothes. This is the action of making clothes flat and neat by bending them on themselves. 4. Putting the clothes in the drawer. This refers to storing clothes in a closed compartment. 5. Arranging the clothes neatly. This refers to the act of organizing clothes in a tidy manner. Here are some sample sentences. I'm sorting the clothes by color before I put them away. I'm hanging my shirts in the wardrobe. I always fold my clothes before putting them in the drawer. My socks are always in the top drawer of my dresser. I spent the afternoon arranging my clothes neatly in my closet. Let's practice with a simple dialogue. Try to listen and repeat. Person A. What are you doing? Person B. I'm sorting the clothes. Person A. Where will you put the shirts? Person B. I'll be hanging the shirts in the wardrobe. Person A. And the socks? Person B. I will fold the socks and put them in the drawer. That's it for today, learners. I hope this video helps you get more comfortable with the vocabulary and phrases related to putting away clothes in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to use these words and phrases in your daily life as much as possible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. Until next time, happy learning!